Welcome to the in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get this application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store and here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close. Here click to OK, and as can you see here we got the information about the temperature of our device battery, that's 27 and 2 degrees. And also here we got the another information like the level of our battery, the health, capacity, and more other information like the Android version or model of our device and more other info. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.